You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -20. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 650 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the v. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2/65. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -20.